Alright, so welcome back guys to another video on Mr. Junior Dev. I hope you're all well. And today we're going to be doing coding challenges through intermediate JavaScript on the Code Academy course. So yeah, decline everything and accept everything. Let's get straight to it. Okay, so instructions. Number 1, write a function decline everything that takes in an array of strings, and using dot for each, loops through each element in the array and calls politely decline with each of them. Okay, so let's start off with the function first. Decline everything. Takes in an array, then the body, an array of strings there. Using dot for each. The dot for each function should apply politely decline directly. Okay, so it should not merely receive an argument function that uses politely decline. Okay, so it uses dot for each. And then we apply politely decline directly. Okay, let's run that. Alright, that's right. Okay, so number 2, now we need to get healthy. Write a function accept everything that takes in an array of strings and loops through each element in the array, gradually accepts each of them by logging to the console in the following format. Okay, I guess I will eat some element. Now we need to get healthy. Write a function accept everything that takes in an array of strings and loops through each element in the array and grudgingly accepts each of them by logging to the console in the following format. Okay, let's start off with the function. Accept everything takes in an array. Using the dot for each method. In an array, grudgingly accepts each of them by logging console.log. And then an element, so let's log it to the console. And in this instance, we're going to use a string interpolation. I guess I will eat some. And then let's add the E. That should be fine. Let's run that. Okay, that's correct. Right. Intermediate JavaScript square nums. Instructions number 1. Write a function square nums that takes in an array of numbers and using .map returns an array with the square of each of the elements of that array. Okay, so let's start off with the function quickly. Square nums that takes in an array of numbers using the dot .map method returns an array with the square of each of the elements of that array, which is to square. Okay. Okay, so sort years. Instructions number 1, write a function sort years that takes in an array of years and using the built-in .sort method returns that array with the years sorted in descending order. So you can test your function when you're ready by passing in the years array or by making your own array of years. So let's start off with the function itself. Start off with years that takes in an array using the .sort method. Going to take x and y. Therefore, for it to go into descending order, we'll take y minus x. We'll set y minus x. Looks like there's a bit of a typo here. Oh yeah. There you go.